Hey YouTube, how's it going? This video is for anybody that's looking for a solar generator. Lately I've been in some situations, and by lately I mean in the last 6 months, where um, my house, we've lost power, whether because it's maintenance that they're doing to prevent forest fires, and fires in California, or just brownouts and things that tend to just happen, whether it's either because of fires or maintenance right now. And also, this is also for people that are looking for a solar generator that something the time a time where you need power and you're not around your house, like you're camping or something, or you use it for work and you're using power tools and stuff like that. So I wanted to talk about the KYNG solar generator. For more information and for better pricing, you can check the link in the description. It'll tell you more, it'll give you more information in that link. It'll also give you a way better price. There are different sizes for this as well. This one is 324 watts per hour. There's ones that are 1,000 watts per hour, and you can also find more information about those models in the link in the description as well. So anyway, I wanted to talk about this. As you can tell, the KYNG solar generator is quite the lithium ion battery. It's very portable. As you can see, it's got its grip here. If I zoom in a little bit here, or I'm going to try to, there we go. You can see that it has your 12 volt ports. It has something for a cell phone charger or anything like that. You have three USB charging ports as well as a mini USB port. You have your normal outlets for just regular plugs. I forget what they call that. I think that's also 12 volt or something. Then you got your DC 12 24 volt input. This is your LED display that'll tell you how much power you have left, AC, everything like. Yeah, this is going to tell you everything that's going on there. This is what it looks like from far away. Here's some more information here. Um, it has all the compatibility, whether you're charging a phone, a laptop, a drone, as it's just showing as an example of all the things that you could charge. LED lights. Um, Really, this is a perfect thing to just have in your car when you're on the go. Um, of course, you could jump start your car with this too if you needed to. So it's just like this is for emergencies or just anything general use if you want to take it with you. If I were going camping, this would be an amazing thing to take with me and just be able to, have electricity everywhere you go. Here is a charging station. As you can see, um, you can just charge this because, of course, like I said, it's a solar generator and it's portable. So yeah, this is one of the more popular portable power banks slash solar generators. If you have any other questions or if you're interested, check out the link in the description. It'll give you more information as well as pricing. And thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, guys. Take care.